Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom. And today in the session, we will understand the job for the manager, international marketing, international business development. Okay, so this is the urgent opening for the international business development and marketing as a managers. A leading company name is cosmetic, which is Preveda Herbal, Proveda Herbal. The experience require 5 to 15 and packages is 4 to 8. Okay, annually. Location Gurgaon. Okay, so any graduate can apply for this post. Now, main thing is we will understand the job descriptions. What are the responsibility under this job? Okay, so as a name, international marketing, you have to marketing the product as international level. Okay, so and you have to develop and bring the new customer at international level. Okay, so your product is cosmetic. Okay, so we will start some responsibility under this job. So first is responsible for managing entire international business and operations. Okay. So here the person, the manager who will assign this job responsibility need to handle entire international business operations. Okay. So you have to find out the customer, you have to check at the market segmentation level, which region is good for the customer, and this product is segmentized as the customer basis at the international level. Okay, so for example, market segmentation, you know that the product is in which country product you will find out the potential customer. Okay, so you have to handle the entire international business operations. Okay, so you have to focus on the potential customer. Okay, so you know that how the exhibitions going on and the international level, lot of things need to understand, like a legal environment, political environment of the country. Okay, social cultural environment of that country. On basis of that environment, you have to adapt your business strategy. Okay, so in this line you have to understand whatever the international business operations need to handle entirely. Okay, now handling key account of above reason. Okay, so for the international business you handle the key account. You know that this person is specify the uh, key account manager for respect a specific company, like there is any customer, so company will assign you the key account manager of that particular company, and you have to handle the all the requirement, feedback, query or request of that cu- customer. Okay, or at international level. Now ensure availability of the item as per order within date. Okay, so you have to deliver the good as per timeline. Okay, like you receive order in January. Okay, and the timeline given is the most probably 10 January. Okay, so here you have to deliver the goods in 10 days. So you have to choose out whether which mode is best for this completing this timeline. Okay, like this will be go through the shipment will be go through the sea or air. You have to understand and choose the best mode. Okay, so date need to be complement. This most important thing is to deliver the good and timely. Okay, whatever possibilities you can do and provide the best efficient result, it's depend on you. So this is thing that you have to deliver good on right time. Now monitor on regular basis. the production and packaging of the export order. Okay, so monitoring of the production need to be understand thing. Just you receive the order of the 10,000 unit. Okay, so daily you can prepare on the 1,000 unit. So it will take 10 days. So if you will not regularly monitor this production operations, okay, then you will not find out the how to what is the balance production is available, and what is the finished good available, like as per order. So monitoring is very important, so this need to be done as regular basis. Okay, now packaging of the export order, you have to also regular basis monitor the packagings. Okay, just like you receive the 10,000 order of unit, and per day you are producing the manufacturing the 1,000 unit. Okay, so 10 day it will take, in order that 10,000 unit are regular basis, are the packaging has been done or not, how many unit are left for the packaging, how many have been done. So these thing need to be monitored in regular basis. Now next one is ensuring payment from customer as agreed terms. Okay, so this is a very important thing as a payment, or you are as a responsible for the collecting payment. So ensuring payment terms from the customer when you export the goods. Daily basis you have to monitor the shipment, and regularly basis when you monitor the shipment, you also need to monitor the agreed term in respect of the customer. Okay, so on particular type of date, you have to select that, just like a after dispatch you will receive payment in 30 days. So you have to ensure that in 30 days payment are receiving or not from the customer. If you are not receiving payment timely, then you can send the outstanding. Next one is regular communication with client for availability of the stock. Okay, so here you are handling the international level of the business. In such case, you have to take you have to communicate with the client that how many unit you have available. Okay, if, once your stock is over, then intimate to us so we can replenishment this inventory. Okay, and you need to understand the leading time also, that what time will replenishment take, just like a movement good from origin to destination. So you have to regularly communicate with the client for the availability of the inventory of the unit. Okay, now we will understand next one, which is managing international marketing of the product, right from inquiry generation to executions. Okay, about the product, you have to start to end, all the procedures need to be executed by you. Okay, so in international marketing, they can ask about the product features. Okay, if any problems or any we can say there is any disadvantage of the product, need to be sent to the R&D to to adapt the product. Okay, and change out the scenario of the production, or we can say of the making of the product. So in this case, you have to understand the all requirement of the customer and fulfill the requirement of the customer. So managing international marketing of the product, right to inquiry generation is to execution. Okay, so just anybody ask the inquiry regarding the product, you have to fulfill. And starting from the this process start from the inquiry and end to the delivery. Okay, when any product you have available, so anybody can ask the inquiry regarding that, what are the features and what is the benefit, what is the cost scenario. Okay, and how will it affect us. Okay, so once he information given, then he can maybe he may like the product, then you have to share the product. So this is the execution of the process, that you have already share the product. Okay, Now identifying and developing potential customer in international market. Okay, so product whatever you have to check out potential customer. Okay, you know that you need to understand that cosmetic product is are just people use as a uh, adult people, so you need to understand this is a requirement of adult people. Okay, so you can understand where you will find out that uh, potential customer to develop your business in international market. Okay, so this thing we need to understand that how you can increase the sale and fulfill the objective of the uh, organization is that you need to develop the business in such way that product will be delivered in timeline and with good efficient service way. So guys, we are going to end the session here, and the balance activity of this job responsibility we will understand in the next session. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.